to the channel with yours truly, Lionel Bull Trades here at the Lion's Den, to bring you a little update here. And it seems like the market is actually heading towards a more bearish direction. As you can see here, now the SPY is down negative 0.57%. So now that we look at the 5 minute, you can definitely see that taking place. We got a massive 5 minute candle, bearish engulfing, and it's really giving that direction a meaning of of a divergence. Like, you know, it's just literally obvious right here that it literally topped over at 572 at the resistance, and now it's coming back down to test these lows right underneath 570. And once that happens, then you would have a continuation to the downside. I mean, look at the hourly. Even though it's a little bit harder to see here on the mobile version of TradingView, but if I zoom in, I mean, you can pretty much see like the actual pattern, or the direction that it's taking place here, especially in the hourly, where you see 4 hourly candles that are bearish. And indeed, that's exactly what's happening. We, again, you know, have this support here around just below 570, and we literally need to take out these levels. Especially, you know, what's interesting, we do see a bit of a gap. It's not, it's a little tiny, but I see 2 of them, 1 and 2. So this here is running at around maybe 569.20. Let's see, 560. No, that's 567.80 around there. 568.15, 567.80. Yeah. So if we look at the other indicators here, for example, the MACD is strongly suggesting more downside as this bearish divergence continues on here and creates more lows, new day lows on the MACD. We have a level here to test where it's at. I mean, you guys, whoever likes to do TA, including the MACD, and these levels, you got negative 0.1285 to retest, or you have this level right here at negative 0.6048, around there in that range. And then the last low here before it came back up to the upside was at a negative 1.20. Let's just say 1.20. So if this is the repeat of what happened here prior, I mean, that's what it looks like it's about to do. And that's in the hourly too. So mind you, that was back, yeah, I want to say back around this 565 level of support. So we just have to keep an eye on that. If all else falls into place, we will definitely see that continuation. Everything else is looking like it's going towards that direction in general. So by the way, even on the 4 hour, this has a lot more room to come down on the RSI, which means that it can also fall into plan with the SPY falling to that level that I just mentioned at 565, maybe before this week is over. which is just a prediction, hypothetically, not financial advice. And yeah, we'll see what happens then. Okay, so I know it seems a little bit mellow, laid back. You know, I've still a little tired from this past weekend, but hopefully you guys understand. And yeah, just keep a watch on those levels. And if this is indeed the top, if this is indeed the actual peak for the SPY, get ready for a possible downside in return, and to continue on for the next maybe a remainder of the weeks for this month of October, which I would like to call it, in my opinion, of course, Red October. So that being said, if you like this video, you already know what to do. Show some love. I will be streaming later on tonight just to recap and just to, you know, have a chat with everybody and see how everybody's doing. So yeah, that being said, take care of yourselves, trade safely. None of this was financial advice. It's just for educational purposes, and yeah, be safe.